He do not know the answer to the question. The correct answer is option A, does not. He does not know the answer to the question. She is knowing the answer. The correct answer is option C, knows. She knows the answer. The train departed before we reached the station. Option C, had departed before. The train had departed before we reached the station. I look forward to meet you soon. The correct answer is option A, to meeting. I look forward to meeting you soon. She is senior than me in office. The correct answer is option A, senior to. She is senior to me in office. If I was you, I would not do that. The correct answer is option B, were. If I were you, I would not do that. He is good in mathematics. The correct answer is option C, at. He is good at mathematics. Neither the teacher nor the students was present. The correct answer is option A, were. Neither the teacher nor the students were present. He refused to obey to his seniors. The correct answer is option B, obey, not obey to. He refused to obey his seniors. She insisted to go to the market alone. The correct answer is option B, on going. She insisted on going to the market alone. He has left the office before I arrived. The correct answer is option A, had left. He had left the office before I arrived. I am used to get up early in the morning. The correct answer is option C, to getting up early. I am used to getting up early in the morning. The teacher asked me that why I was late. The correct answer is option B, why, not that why. The teacher asked me why I was late. The patient died before the doctor arrived. The sentence is absolutely correct. There is no need of improvement. It is time you go to bed. Option A, went. It is time you went to bed. She told me that she has completed the work. The correct answer is option C, had completed. She told me that she had completed the work. He was so tired that he could not hardly walk. The correct answer is option A, could hardly walk. He was so tired that he could hardly walk. Each of the boys were given a prize. The correct answer is option B, was given. Each of the boys was given a prize. He asked me where do I live. The correct answer is option A, where I lived. He asked me where I lived. She is married with a doctor. The correct answer is option B, married to. She is married to a doctor. They discussed about the new project. The correct answer is option A, discussed only. They discussed the new project. He is good in playing chess. The correct answer is option A, at playing chess, not in playing. He is good at playing chess. I prefer tea than coffee. The correct answer is option A, 2. I prefer tea to coffee. We enjoyed during the holiday. The correct answer is option B, enjoyed ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves during the holiday. The climate of Delhi is better than Mumbai. The correct answer is option B, than that of Mumbai. The climate of Delhi is better than that of Mumbai.